Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Patrick Scale Dreams. Hope everyone's doing well, and I appreciate the support on the last video. Been pretty busy here. We've been rebuilding the fence, still not done. I only get 4 days off, and between the wife working and me working, and so coordinating time to get that done, it's been busy. And anyways, so I haven't had a lot of updates, but Paul over at Left Coast Custom suggested coffee and model cars on Sundays. So this will be my first installment into Paul's suggestion. I think it's a really cool idea. Just like car shows and stuff like that, guys getting together, talking about the one-to-one stuff. So this is how we can do it on YouTube, which is a really cool idea. I really like it. So I have a model that I've picked out that holds some significance for me. So I'll just get this turned around, and we'll have a look at the model, and we'll talk about it a little bit. Okay, so this is the first model I'm going to feature, I guess, or talk about. It's the 2005 Ford GT kit. So when I first came back into the hobby, I found a website, and the website was called Brian's Model Cars. So if anybody remembers or was on this site way back in early 2000s, let me know, or whatever. So BMC, as we called it, they were very strict on their photo guidelines. So a guy ran the site, so it was his own website, and you uploaded pictures to the website. So he was pretty strict on that kind of stuff, but it also made me improve my picture taking and my photographs of my models. So, but there was also a whole bunch of other how-tos. It was a great place for learning how to polish, working with photo etch, painting, you name it. It was all the tutorials were on there, and it was an awesome tool for anyone coming back into the hobby, or anyone new coming into the hobby. And I really had a lot of fun and learned a lot on that website. It's no longer in effect. Pretty sure the guy that Gary got sick and he had to shut it down. I haven't really kept in contact with any of the guys I'd met on there. I did a lot of cool stuff on there with some group builds and whatnot. So this was one of them that Gary had sent out these decals for anyone who wanted to participate in the group build, the celebration of 10 years. So this is the one that I built. So this is like a red lettering, red lines out of one of the kits that I had, and I just put that on, and I put the 10 in the middle. So that's how that worked out. The paint is just duplicolor white, not polished or anything. Duplicolor red. The stripe in the middle is a decal. Pretty basic kit. Really easy to build. I added my own custom touches to it, like mesh in the front here. Put some mesh in here. I did mesh in the front, as you can see. Mesh in the back. I lost one of my exhaust tips. So the wheels, they're box stock. All I did to the wheels was washed them with Tamiya Smoke. That's how they turned out. This is just basic semi-gloss black underneath. I lost the lens. Well, actually, I lost one lens, and I don't think. It looked silly with just one, so I took the other one off, and I think now I've lost both of them. So, anyways, really fun kit to build, really easy, builds up nice, decent kit. But yeah, this, like I said, I learned a lot off this website with the tutorials and whatnot. You know, and it wasn't a pay site or anything like that. They were just really strict. They had really strict guidelines about photos and that kind of stuff because it was Gary's own website. He paid for all the, you know, the storage and everything like that. So he was strict on that. Had to be good photos. They didn't tolerate any garbage on that website, which was easy for me to follow because I don't really mess around anyway. I was just there for the models and learning how to build better. And one thing I always say is freely give what was freely given. That's why I like to do tutorials and how-tos and just share a little bit about what I know and what I've learned over the years. Model building, by no means am I any top builder or anything like that, but I like to kind of share the things that I've learned over the years. And a lot of good stuff, and it was free, and it was, you know, the guys were happy to share it as long as you respected the website rules. It was a really good website. So yeah, with that, thank you all for checking out the video, checking out my model. I had a lot of fun with this one. This one was built early 2000s, I think. And yeah, still doing good. She's a roller. So yeah, AMT kit. A lot of fun with this one. So thanks for Paul for suggesting this and having a lot of fun with it for my first video. And thanks to y'all for watching. Pat out, model on. Thank you. Thank you very much.